There's a couple of different ways that we like to think about addressing issues that might occur on site. The first would be alerts, and the second would be KPIs or performance metrics. So, some of the issues that we've seen with alerting, essentially, it's just having a very low signal to noise ratio, and that shows up in a couple different ways, right? So, there's a lot of false positives and false negatives. So that could mean that, an inverter is throwing a fault, but it might be purely informational and not super addressable. Or it could be that, there's some sort of subcritical performance issue that's going on, but it's not actually throwing a fault, but it is causing an observable loss in your system performance. The second issue could be redundancy. So if comms are lost for an entire site, you could get, 100 different inverters that are throwing the exact same fault. And then you're just drowning in alerts because you've got 100 different faults for what ends up being like one issue to actually fix. So on Wattch's side, what we've done is try to eliminate that redundancy as much as we can through our own algorithms, but then also give you a lot of customizability so that you can actually see what alerts matter to you and determine that at the account level, at the site level, and then also at the device level. So that really cuts through a lot of the noise and allows you to really see what's addressable. And then on the KPIs or performance metric side, what we've seen as a lot of the pitfalls have mostly been using KPIs during, the feasibility study phase, or using the same KPIs that you use to secure financing for operations and maintenance and for kind of like ongoing issue identification.